So the question that I always get asked a lot is that, do I have to UV unwrap every object in a scene? What if I only want to have one color for that object? Well, we expect everybody to unwrap every object in a scene because that is the proper way or the proper workflow in a production. So if you're working in the game studio or animation studio, we expect that everybody to unwrap every object in a scene because there might be someone else that doing texturing job, not you. Okay, and that artist need to have the UV so they can paint the object. Okay, so without the UV, they don't know like which area or whatever to paint. Okay, so it is required to have UV for every object in the scene. Okay, it's a good practice, it's a good habit starting from now, because if you don't do it, then also you don't show like your understanding about how UV work in Maya. Okay, now the second question is that, what if I just want to put one color for that object? Do I still require UV for it? So let's say like you want to do yellow frame for this. Okay, so I guess I can kind of like let you get away without doing UV for this particular object because it's only one color, right? Because again, when you are assigning a color, monocolor to object in Maya, it does not require UV, right? But again, for this assignment, I expect everybody to unwrap all the object in the scene, so it shows me that you understand how to do UV in Maya. Okay, and again, like there is a nice balance, right? If you look at this scenery in particular, I think most of the object here has UV already. I mean, I can easily tell like at least there's 10 or more. Okay, so the floor 1, this one 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, right? 8, 9, 10 with the wall. The wall is not so gray because there's some little grunge map applied to that. That what makes the wall looks nice, not just like pure gray. Okay, so that's the advantage of having UV applied to the object. So you can put like a nice texture as compared to this monocolor. Okay, so again, I understand like there is quite a bit of object in the scene, but later along the way, we can actually transfer UV to another object, assuming that object is the exact copy of that original object. Okay, so for example, this knob can actually be copied to one another, okay, in terms of the UV. So again, so if you have a question like UV or not UV, I suggest that you UV out everything, okay, because that show that you understand how to do UV in Maya.